my name is Caitlin. I'm 26, and I have had my first front tooth missing for over a year. And I had been taken advantage of by 2 other dental offices. So when I finally found Dr. Amy after extensive research, I was so desperate, looking for help, needing anybody to listen to me, to feel like they heard me. And she did that immediately. She heard what I was saying. She sympathized with my situation. Here I'd had no tooth for over a year. I was making by with a temporary flipper. I couldn't go out to parties because I was embarrassed of having to take my flipper out. I didn't want to eat around anybody. I didn't want to smile. It was just very embarrassing and uncomfortable. So the quality of life was rather poor at that point for over a year. I found out I had bone degradation and that I needed to get this taken care of as soon as possible. And Dr. Amy, she and her team helped get me in very quickly. All of it was done within a 4 to 5 month time period, and now I have a smile that I'm proud of, that I can, eat without trouble, and I don't have to go hide, while I'm eating in a lunchroom or anything like that. I can be there with everyone else and not have to worry about that any longer. I highly recommend it because it is a holistic approach to any implants. For personal beliefs, I always felt like I wanted to get the Zirconia implant, being that it was at the front of my face. I know that the titanium tints the gums and everything, so aesthetically this was something that I was very strong about, and just holistically, my beliefs, this is what I really wanted. So anybody looking for a alternative route to any dental implants, I highly recommend this, just for healthier, more aesthetic, happier lifestyle for sure.